Hello my dear students, welcome to my computer science class. So students, we were discussing the chapter Introduction to MS Excel, and this is the third part of our chapter. Now in the previous part we have studied the introduction of what is MS Excel and how to open an MS Excel, about the MS Excel window, how we can enter data, how can we select data, how can we save a workbook, how to delete data, how to create or how to create a row or insert a row or a column, and how can we move and copy data, how can we change the column width or change the row width. So let us start with the class. Now the first feature is inserting cells. In the previous classes we have studied how to insert a row or a column. So for inserting a cell, firstly you have to click on the home tab. Then there is an insert button. Just click on the down arrow and here insert cell option is there. You can click on the insert cell button. So what will happen? It will ask insert cell right, insert cell down, entire row or entire column. So first of all you have to choose an active cell, like this is an active cell and I want to insert here. So first of all you will click on home tab, then insert cell. I want to shift the cells down, that is I want a cell here. So this cell will shift down. I have clicked OK. One more cell has been created. Let us see this here. As you can see, 800 has been shifted down and a blank cell has been created here. So in this way you can insert a cell. You can also insert a cell like this by right clicking it. When you right click, insert option is here also. So both the ways are correct. Now the next feature is deleting cell. I want to delete this cell. I have created a cell wrongly. So what I'll do, in the home tab, this delete option, and just next to insert, delete option is there. You will click on this and delete cells, and it is asking shift cells up. So it is your choice, because I have I have inserted the cells by shifting the cells down, so I can go for shifting cell up, shift cell up. If I want to delete this and let us see the second option also, shift cells left. So what will happen? This cell will be deleted and this cell will come here. So I am deleting so that you can visualize it properly. Shift cells left. Now what will occur? 1000 will be deleted and this cell will shift here. Okay, so this is how to delete cells. Now switching between worksheet. How can we switch between worksheet? This is very easy. I am on sheet 1. As you can observe, this is selected. If you want to shift to the other sheet, you just have to click this sheet 2, then sheet 3, next sheet. You can rename the sheets also, like this is sheet 3. Just right click, you can delete a sheet, you can insert a sheet here, you can rename it, you can move the sheet or copy the sheet. There are a number of options which you can perform using these different sheets. Now next is renaming our worksheet. How can we rename? Right click, go to rename, and you can rename student details and then press enter. This sheet has been renamed. Similarly, you can rename this sheet also. Now next is coloring a worksheet tab. Now suppose I want to distinguish this sheet from the others, so I can add colors. So there is an option when you will click right click on this, there is an option tab color. Then you can choose a tab color, like if I am choosing this, the tab becomes greenish. I want to change the tab color to blue. Now this has become blue. I want to change the tab color. The selected sheets have been changed to different colors. This is changing a worksheet tab. Now adding a worksheet. How can we add a worksheet? Like this is sheet 2. I am on sheet 2, and just next to this sheet 2 I want to add a sheet. So what I can do, insert. I'll go to insert, a simple worksheet. You can add a number of things, but I'm just adding a worksheet, and you have to click OK. Now a sheet has been created just before the sheet which I was working on. If I'm on sheet 6, there are two options. Either you can click on this for new sheet has been added, or you can go from there here, insert button. So both the options are correct, either clicking on this or going from the right right clicking and then inserting a worksheet. Now deleting a worksheet. Like we have inserted, we can delete the sheet also. If I want to delete, right click and then delete. The sheet has been deleted. I want to delete this sheet, right click and delete. The sheet has been deleted. So these are the methods to delete a sheet. Now moving and copying a worksheet. There is one more option, move or copy on the right click. You can move it, for that you have to click on move, and now where do you want to move? The selected sheet, you want to move the selected sheet, this sheet 6 to sheet 1. Okay, now sheet 6 is in place of sheet 1. In this way you can move the sheet. Earlier it was here, now it is the first sheet of your worksheet. If you want to copy this sheet, I want this sheet to be copied. I'll click on this, on the move or copy button, create a copy. There's an option for create a copy, and then I'll click on OK. A copy has been created. This is the second copy, where because I have selected the first sheet, so it has become the first sheet. This is actual sheet 2, and this is the copy of sheet 2. So all these are the different features which are given in your chapter 5. I hope you all have observed all the features carefully, and you will be able to perform all these actions yourself. So students, please try yourself all these options. Thank you, students.